Hello everyone, my name is Matthew Mulwa. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Matthew Mulwa Books. In this channel, I share digital publishing ideas. Today, I want to share with you step-by-step self-publishing on KDP Amazon. So if you have ever dreamt of self-publishing your book on KDP Amazon, then stay tuned. Before the end of this video, you will know everything about self-publishing. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, you can do so down here. You can also click the notification button so that you can be notified whenever I upload.
So on your computer, on the search bar, you'll type KDP Amazon, then you'll click on that, then your computer will open a page like this one, then you have to click on that, then you wait for your device to open the page. So you click on sign in. If you have an account with KDP Amazon, so you'll have to sign in. If you don't have account, then you'll have to create an account. So you'll come to a page like this one. Then you can see I have uploaded several books on KDP Amazon. So I'm going to use one of my books here to show you how to upload your book on KDP Amazon. Today we are dealing with ebooks, so I'm using this book here. So I'll click on ellipsis button, then edit ebook details. So you will come to a page like this one, whereby there are 3 steps to publish your book. That is Kidu ebook details, then Kidu ebook content. The last step is Kidu ebook pricing. So we are starting with the first stage, which is Kidu ebook details. That is, the first question is language of your book, then the book title, then the series of your book, the edition number, the author, the two names, your two names. So you will start with your language, English, French, whichever the language you've written your book in. Then title, then the series down, edition number, then author, two names, then contributors, if you have contributors down there. After that, you will see the publishing rights, then the primary audience. Is your book for children or for adults? Then you will select there. After that, you see the primary marketplace. After that, you choose the categories of your book where your book will be placed. So after that, you can see 7 keywords or search keywords, the words the people will use to search for your book. Then you will save your work to continue with the second step. If you are not ready, then you can save this draft. So we are going to the second step of self-publishing our book, which is Kidu ebook content. Here is whereby you upload your book, you upload your cover. So you can see the type of they accept, the type of manuscript they accept, the format of your book, that is EPUB, PDF. There are kinds of manuscript they accepted, so you will have to convert your manuscript to a file which they accept. Then you will click on that little thing, then it will enable you to upload, to choose where you have saved your work. After that, you can upload your cover, or you can use Cover Creator to make a cover for your book. If your book has an error, then it will detect. After that, you will save your work, and so that we can continue the last step of self-publishing, which is pricing. Kidu ebook pricing, because we are dealing with ebook here. So you will have to wait So this is the last stage of self-publishing your book. So you can see Kindle ebook pricing. The first question is Kindle select enrollment. They say if you enroll your book on KDP select, then you will maximize your sales. So if it is your first time, it is recommended that you click on that box there which said enroll my book on Kindle select. After that, you can see territories. You choose the territories whereby you own rights of publishing your book. After that, you can see the primary marketplace there. After that, you can see pricing, royalty, distribution. So you click on 7% royalties. After that, you set the price there. After you set the price there, the first box, then automatically the other boxes will appear. After that, you will publish your book. Or if you are not ready to publish your book, then you will click on Save as Draft. That is Baker. For you to be able to self-publish your book on KDP, you need to have your manuscript ready, your broad cover ready, and if you are publishing a hardcover or a paperback, you need to have your ISBN ready. So let us dive into our today's topic. So we are going to see how you can self-publish your ebook on KDP Amazon.